In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most powerful swing trading indicators available. This isn't just your usual indicator that spits out random signals. It's a complete swing trading system designed to give you clear entry reasons, trend direction, stop-loss levels, and profit targets, all while keeping your trading simple and rules-based. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what this indicator is, how it works, and how you can use it to make consistent profits in the market. So if that sounds interesting to you, kindly hit the like button, also subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed each time we make new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So the name of this indicator is Swing Indicator by SmrtAlgo. To get started with this indicator, you first of all have to open TradingView. Then select any trading instrument of your choice, whether crypto, forex, or any other asset. Next, you will click on this Indicators tab here and search for Swing Indicator, and it's this one by SmrtAlgo. Now, since this is a premium indicator, you will not see it appear directly here in the search results. This is because you do not have access to the indicator yet. So, to get access to it, all you have to do is just click the link in the description below to visit the SmrtAlgo official website, where you can gain access to the indicator. And after that, you will click on it to add the indicator to the chart. So here is the all-powerful swing indicator by SmrtAlgo. But what exactly is this indicator all about? The SmrtAlgo Swing Indicator is a tool built specifically for swing trading, offering traders valuable insights and entry opportunities on higher time frames, as it incorporates a range of features to enhance both trend identification and risk management. The best part is, this indicator takes the subjectivity out of trading. Instead of second-guessing every move, you get a set of rules and signals that make trading much more straightforward. Now, let's go over the features in detail, because this is where the indicator really shines. When you add this indicator to your chart, the very first thing you would notice is the bar color. The indicator uses a simple color-coded system to reflect market trends. Green bars signal bullish momentum, while red bars indicate bearish conditions. This clear visual display enables traders to identify the dominant market direction at a glance, supporting faster and more confident decision-making. Next, we have the buy and sell signals. The indicator also provides distinct buy and sell signals, categorized into two levels: weak signals and strong signals. Weak signals are generated once the basic entry requirements are met. They act as early notifications of potential setups, ideal for traders who are comfortable with higher risk or using aggressive trading approaches, while strong signals are generated when stronger confirmation criteria are met, highlighting trade setups with a higher probability of success. The strong signals are designed to provide highly accurate entry points, often referred to as sniper entries, due to their precision in aligning with market trends. The option to display weak, strong, or both types of signals allows traders to tailor the indicator to their specific trading preferences and risk profiles. The indicator also has a feature called the EMA filter, which is the exponential moving average filter. This feature is designed to support trend-based trading. When enabled, the filter ensures that only signals that align with the prevailing trend are displayed, helping traders avoid counter-trend setups that often carry higher risk and lower reliability. Then lastly, we have the take profit and stop loss levels. When a signal appears on the chart, the indicator automatically prints a precise entry level, a stop loss level, and multiple take profit levels. These levels are automatically calculated using a risk-to-reward ratio. TP1 represents a cautious 1:1 risk-to-reward setup, ideal for quick profit-taking. TP2 marks a balanced target with a moderate risk-to-reward ratio, suitable for traders looking to capture larger moves while still managing risk effectively. While TP3 indicates the most aggressive target, offering the highest reward potential, but requiring greater patience and tolerance for market fluctuations. This structured approach to TP and SL helps traders define their risk clearly, while setting realistic and progressive profit goals. Together, these features make the SmrtAlgo Swing Indicator a powerful and well-rounded tool for swing traders. Now that we've gone over the different features of the indicator, let's move on to its settings to see how we can adjust them to fit our strategy. When you open the settings here on the input section, you will see different options that allow you to customize the indicator to fit your trading strategy. However, for this specific strategy, we will only be adjusting a few settings while leaving the rest at their default. So first, we will turn off the bar color because we don't need it for this strategy. Then, here on the signal setting, we will choose strong because we want the indicator to display only strong signals. Then the EMA filter also remains disabled. And lastly, we turn off the TP and SL levels as we won't be using them for this strategy. You may still explore the other settings and adjust them as needed to align with your trading style. Once you are satisfied with the settings, you just click OK. Now, let's go over some real chart examples so you can see how this indicator plays out in real time. It's important to note that this indicator is not limited to a particular time frame, but based on my personal experience, it performs better on higher time frames, such as the 1 hour and above. So for this strategy, we will be making use of the 1 hour time frame. So here on Bitcoin 1 hour time frame, you can see that price was initially pushing down. But when price got to this point and printed this bullish candle, the swing indicator printed a strong buy signal. So having seen this, we enter a buy position at the close of the bullish candle, place our stop loss below the swing low, and target at least 3 times our stop loss. And watching the trade play out, you can see how price rallied up from there, even pushing beyond our target. Let's look at a bearish example. On this chart, as you can see, price pulled up to this level, and at the formation of this bearish candle, the swing indicator printed this strong sell signal. So with the sell signal in place, we open a sell position at the close of the bearish candle, place our stop loss slightly above the swing high, and target at least 3 times the stop loss. And watching the trade play out, we can see how price pushed down from there, hitting our target, and even pushing beyond it. So this is simply how you can use the SmrtAlgo Swing Indicator to capitalize on major market moves. If you want to get access to the indicator, do well to check the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and also comment what trading topics you would like to see us cover next.